it's me, it's Jeremy. Welcome to my channel. And today we're in Vienna, but since it's a new episode, new country ulit, and we're visiting central part of Europe, which is Slovakia, particularly Bratislava. So samahan niyo ako. Let's explore more of this city. So we have just arrived in Bratislava. Bratislava is about an hour and few minutes away from Vienna. So ang dali tumawid sa isa pang bansa via train, di ba? Kung gusto niyo madagdagan yung tawag dito, yung mga countries na napuntahan mo na, isang madaling paraan to para gawin yun. And yung bridge na to, ito ay situated on top of the Danube River. So itong Bratislava Castle, it's a Baroque castle. Ito yung view ng UFO bridge. Ayan, so pasok kami sa loob ng castle. Oh, yan. Busy na naman siya. Architectural design or blueprint back in the day. Ayan, yun siya. And I guess sila architecture. Ito yung architecture. Yun yung architect. Feeling ko lang So dito sa castle grounds, ayan, makikita mo nga yung architectural design nung castle. Okay, so biro lang po. Hindi ko sure kung sino yung tatlong yun. Hindi ko alam kung architect talaga sila. Lapitan natin. Ba't di natin lapitan? Wala naman nakasulat, George. So our next stop is Gallery Multium. Open siya. It's a Space and Mirror Gallery. So ang galing kasi para siyang apartment na convert into gallery, an immersive gallery. Number 4. So that's Gallery Multium for you guys. So I strongly suggest, pupunta kayo ng Bratislava at day trip lang kayo. Simula kayo ng mag-taxi kayo papuntang Bratislava Castle. Siguro mga 15 minutes more or less. And then pababa kayo. Unahin mo to, Multium, Gallery Multium. And then mga siguro 9 minutes from here, nasa Old Town Hall ka na. 700 meters lang. So para sinimula mo sa pataas pababa. Parang spaghetti, pataas pababa. So we're heading to the Old Town and makikita mo from the bridge yung view ng UFO Tower. And I think that's another cathedral. So after namin mag Old Press dito sa Old Town Hall, hanapin namin si Kumil. That's Kumil. Ang kulit. So for our next stop, it's the most beautiful cake shop here in Bratislava, Konditori Confectionery. So nice, grabe. It's like you're dining at an you're transported back in time, having a dessert back in the olden days. So they used to have a no camera, no photo, no video policy, but they changed it. And I think it's a smart move kasi in this day and age, you know, social media is everything, di ba? To get the word out, to get the people coming in, to boost the tourism then of the place. Kaya yung mga nagdadamot tulad dun sa yung chimney cake dun. Uy, nagtanim. So kung sa ibang bansa nagagawa niya na suportahan yung mga local artists, sana sa Pilipinas din ganun. Diba? Parang ginagawa ni John. Buys from local artists as well.
Ikaw din, sinusuportahan mo, di ba?
Alin? Yung mga gusto mo.
Lahat ng gusto ko sinusuportahan.
Oo. Tuwing birthday niya. Oo. Art piece, hindi lang artwork. Art piece po. Opo. So nakakatuwa kasi magugulat ka in some corners, makita ka ng chapel. We stopped over a honey shop here in Bratislava and they said they're here, thank you, at the honey gummy.
Honey gummy?
Okay, one for you.
Habi nila, yung bee farm daw nila, an hour and a half away from here. Punta kayo dito. What's the name of the shop?
Honey shop.
Honey shop. It's called Honey Shop. This one.
Good.
So all sorts of honey products. They even have honey wine. Up. Yeah, so it's called Caramel Medovi Obcod Honey Shop. Yeah. So if you want to try several byproducts of honey, just like what we had, yung honey gummies. Honey gummy, don't you hear me? Honey gummy.
Iba yun.
Ay, iba ba yun? So, ito yung chimney cake. Open pa kaya? Chimneyfy. We'll see. Hello. Still open? Yeah. Okay. And for our last stop, we're walking towards the Blue Church, which is around 13 minutes away from saan tayo kumain? From the Chimney Cake shop. Dilim na. Siguro mas maganda to pag
Oo, mas
may araw, mas kita yung pagka-asul. Church of
Saint Asul.
Our Lady Elizabeth yata. Yun yata siya, kaya siya blue. Kaya dahil kay Elizabeth. Dahil bet niya ang blue. And this is it, Judges and Jaybers. Maraming salamat for joining us in our Bratislava adventure. Nakaka-proud na ang dami namin nagawa with such a short amount of time. And speaking of time, thanks for taking the time to join us on our Bratislava adventure. Till our next vlog, always remember, this is Jeremy. The more you eat, the more you love. Bye!